Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 70 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture and make sure that it's like everything that you want to capture is visible on the screen. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so for me it's already open and obviously visible. From there, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will give you this pop-up and give you the two options, which for some stupid reason are constantly appearing every time and you just kind of can't stop it until they just give you the animation. Normally it should be that when you capture now a screenshot, there we go, it actually isn't showing up. It took it only like 5 screenshots. And as you've seen, you can share and scroll as two options. After a moment it disappears and you can find it in your gallery application. Now in your gallery application, when you navigate to albums, it will create an album called screenshots, and in here you'll also have screen recordings along with screenshots. But as you can see, there they are. And just to kind of clarify this, as you can see, I have several screenshots taken over past like couple hours, and it's kind of coming up with the guide quite frequently. But there we go, that's where you can find your screenshots and also how you capture them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.